The presidential inauguration is a pivotal event in American democracy, symbolizing the peaceful transition of power. Every 4 years, it marks the beginning of a new presidential term. The inauguration takes place on January 20th, following the presidential election. This date was established by the 20th Amendment to the Constitution, enacted in 1933, to shorten the time between election and the start of the new presidency. The ceremony traditionally occurs at the United States Capitol in Washington, D.C. It includes several key components: the swearing-in of the president and vice president, the inaugural address, parades, and various inaugural balls. The most critical moment is the oath of office, sworn by the president-elect, usually administered by the Chief Justice of the United States. The oath is brief but profound, pledging to faithfully execute the office of President of the United States and to preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution. The inaugural address is the new president's first opportunity to speak to the nation and set the tone for the administration. Traditionally, the outgoing president attends the ceremony, reflecting the continuity of governance. However, in rare instances, such as during Andrew Johnson's and Donald Trump's transitions, outgoing presidents have not participated. Over time, the inauguration has evolved into a grand spectacle. Modern inaugurations include performances by renowned artists, poets, and more. Despite weather challenges, technological advancements have allowed millions worldwide to witness the event through broadcasts and live streaming. The ceremonies and festivities surrounding the inauguration affirm the resilience of American democracy. They remind us of the enduring stability of governmental institutions, even as administrations change. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.